iTunes and iCloud backups have limits. You can't view or extract files without restoring, which may overwrite data. Here are 5 tools to safely browse and extract backups. Choose what suits you. 1. MobiKin Doctor for iOS. Browse and view backup details. MobiKin Doctor for iOS is a reliable tool to extract and view iCloud and iTunes backups. Access data like photos, contacts, and messages without overwriting files. Step 1. Launch Doctor for iOS on your computer. Download and install Doctor for iOS on your computer. Open it and select Recover from iTunes Backup or Recover from iCloud. No device connection needed. Step 2. Choose a backup and begin scanning. Select Recover from iTunes Backup. Pick a backup file and click Start Scan. Choose file types, for example, photos, messages, and scan for details. Step 3. Preview and extract data. After scanning, preview the recoverable files, select what you need, and click Recover to Computer to save them. 2. Aiseesoft FoneLab. Aiseesoft FoneLab supports iOS and Android. The iOS version lets you access iTunes or iCloud backups, preview, and extract data easily on your computer. 3. iMobie AnyTrans. iMobie AnyTrans is a tool that lets you manage iPhone, iPad, and iPod completely with one simple tool. It is not only help you transfer files between iDevices and computer, but also enables you to manage iOS data directly. 4. Wondershare Dr.Fone iPhone Data Recovery. Wondershare Dr.Fone is a toolkit which consists of various functions. With it, you can almost deal with all kinds of issues related to iPhone, iPad, and iPod, such as data recovery, data transfer, screen record, data erase, and so on. 5. iBackup Viewer. iMobie's iPhone Backup Viewer, also known as iBackup Viewer, is a versatile tool that allows you to extract various types of data from iPhone backups.